Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to find and take out the SD card on your Canon EOS R50 camera. So the first thing that we're going to do is make sure that our camera is turned on, and after that go down to the camera, find this little card/battery latch and open the lock by sliding it to the left. And here above the battery we have our SD card, which if we push it downwards, it will pop out and we can freely take out the card. So now it's with this adapter that's used in camera. We can just pull this little thing out, and this is our SD card. Now this is where all of the pictures that you have taken will be stored on. And if you want to push it back in after you're done, you can just align it the same way that it was before and just push it in until you hear a click, and it's going to stay in there. Now I can close this latch by sliding it in again and just turn on your camera and use it as always. That's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.